How to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app in your Android from Play Store. Now open it in your phone. Now you can see here different options at the bottom. There is a chats option, calls option, people and the stories here. Just click on the three lines which is present on the left top corner. Click on this gear option. Now we are going to see here there is an option of notification. We can fix notification by clicking on it. Before fixing the notifications, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. When you turn it on, you can select the time here and you can also turn it off. In this way, you can fix notifications on Messenger. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.